Our vision is to reduce the world's carbon footprint using sustainable materials. We take degraded waste such as used cooking oil, fats, oils and greases, and we produce a product that is sustainable. I think that's why Swire purchased us. Their ambition is to drive sustainability through their businesses. The challenges that we had was in the huge growth of the company. We were definitely Excel reliant. So the big challenge for us was automation, reporting on time, real-time information. Now, we're able to get visibility of the transactions on a day-to-day basis. And we are able to identify the pinch points and correct them, so at month end, it means that our financial department can get those results much quicker. In terms of reporting, we're looking to accelerate our month-end close so that it gives us more robust information to be able to drive the business forward. And we're looking to do that in days rather than weeks. I think Hitachi's knowledge of the Oracle system was absolutely instrumental in the success of the project. We see huge opportunities going forward for predictive maintenance in terms of engineering and management, as well as giving us information on the value of our inventory that we hold. We want to become more demand-led rather than supply-driven, and that will all be helped by the fact that we can look at the end-to-end process. I'm very proud of the vision. We're going to reduce the world's carbon footprint.